You'll want to have your cameras ready. More local private radio center. Today to fulfill all your aircraft needs. You can see Steve is very entire performance. They're on the right up on Google, or you can read Dan Dempsey. Looks like chaos in the sky. Just to turn up there in the sky. You're going to scuttle to the middle there and catch up to up there in the sky. There's two plane legs, and that truck roll performed so incredibly well. Plane is very excited to currently be working with the Ryan J. Cole Foundation. A youth program called Elevate Your Life is the action arm of the foundation. It was founded by AirShow performer Greg Cole as a result of the tragic drug-related death of his son Ryan J. Cole. And on this real thing, this is double airplane that Brad Worston likes to fly when he's not flying air shows, flips the airplane its nose. And now he holds the airplane just above the stall speed, upside down in that 45-degree line. Inspiration is at the heart of the North. Several years ago, Todd was in the battle of his life for cancer. His doctor said he may never return to flying high-performance aircraft. perfect tumble. Way to get turned around and get ball. The flip top.